Hi, we're making chickpea curry, which is commonly known as Chana curry. Just a very small amount of oil. We start off with some onions. As usual with the curry, you always start off with onions. It's very high in protein, carbohydrate and fibre, so it'll keep you full. Not only is it tasty, but very nutritious. You add the garam masala to the browned off onions, a little bit of salt, bit of chilli, whether it's fresh or dried. To that we'll add some tomato puree, tomato paste, or fresh tomato, or if you've got a tomato you need using up, just chop that up and pop that in there. We've added also some ginger powder. You can add fresh ginger if you like that. Get all the ingredients together, put some water to create a lovely sauce which is full of flavour. Bring it to boil and then turn down to simmer. Add the chickpeas straight from the can. Give it a stir again. Turn the temperature up so that all the ingredients come together and boil. Bring it to the boil. Mash a few of the chickpeas so the sauce becomes lovely and thick and delicious, full of flavour, full of goodness, full of nutrients. Add some coriander, fresh or dry, and serve with naan bread, any bread that you've got, any crusty bread, and really enjoy it. You will thoroughly enjoy this dish.